Joining us now is Jacob Aiken-Phillips of Melius Research. Jacob, it's great to have you on. You got a sell rating on Starbucks. We know this is a turnaround play right now. What do you need to see to feel like the turnaround's taking root?
Yeah, so I think that most people are going to be focused on the traffic number more than EPS. I think people would be willing to accept some margin compression or some EPS pressure if they're able to accelerate traffic. But that said, they've just rolled out the Green Apron across their entire network, or started to in August. So I'd expect to see more pressure on the labor line than I would incremental traffic growth. And people will be focused on commentary about how those stores are performing and what that's going to look like for the coming year.
How important is pricing in this conversation, especially since we know coffee prices have been at record highs and there have been tariff impacts and the like on that side?
Yeah, so the pricing is what underpins my thesis. I think that they've taken a lot of pricing over the years, and the experience and the quality hasn't kept pace with that. So while they've been hesitant to use promotions or lower price, they view themselves as the premium brand, and they are, and they've been focusing on fixing the experience side of things. But I do think that they would do themselves a service by lowering prices or maybe introducing some more entry-level price points that will cause some pressure with the increased coffee prices, which will more fully flow through in the first and second quarter of the coming year. But it would help the traffic numbers, which investors are really looking at.
Do you think Starbucks is going to sell a stake or maybe even outright sell the business in China? There have been so many reports and rumors about it.
Yeah, I mean, they've so much as said that they're looking, but they need to find the right strategic partner. The China business has been under pressure because of the advent of like Luckin and Coffee convenience concepts based in China, who Luckin actually is in New York now. So yes, I do. It's just a matter of what price and what the actual outlook of that business looks like going forward, and if that partner can help turn the tides.
Yeah. Quickly, I want to get your thoughts on Chipotle, because we get those results tomorrow too, and that's another name that has been underperforming this year.
Yeah, I mean, I think expectations are relatively low. It's a similar story in that people are going to be looking at the traffic number. There's been pressure on the fast casual space because of maybe a bit too much pricing taken there as well as the advent of a bunch of different fast casual concepts. Some people would say an oversupply. So I think Chipotle's top line might be a bit pressured, but we'll see if it meets expectations or not.
Okay. Jacob Aiken-Phillips of Melius, thank you for joining me.